Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful AI video tools right now, Wanx.video. If you want to create cinematic AI videos, animations, or social media content without expensive editing software, then this tool can seriously change your workflow. So, what is Wanx Ai? Wanx Ai is an advanced AI video generator that can turn text prompts into high-quality videos in just a few minutes. You simply type what you want to see, and the AI creates scenes, motion, effects, and visuals automatically. It's perfect for YouTube creators, short video makers, storytellers, and even beginners who have zero editing experience. One of the best things about Wanx Ai is the video quality. The motion looks smooth, the visuals are detailed, and the cinematic style makes your content feel professional. You can create fantasy scenes, anime-style clips, futuristic videos, nature visuals, and even realistic movie-like shots just from your imagination. Using it is super simple. First, go to the official Wanx Ai website and create an account. After logging in, choose the text-to-video option. Then write a detailed prompt like, a futuristic city at night with flying cars and neon lights. After that, select your video style, resolution, and duration. Finally, click Generate and let the AI do the magic. For better results, always write detailed prompts. Instead of writing car, write something like, a red sports car driving through Tokyo streets during rainy night with cinematic lighting. The more details you add, the better the output becomes. Wanx Ai is also great for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, storytelling videos, music visuals, motivational edits, and gaming intros. Many creators are now using AI-generated clips to save time and create unique content faster than ever before. Another cool feature is that you don't need a powerful PC. Most of the processing happens online. That makes it perfect for beginner creators who want professional-looking videos without spending huge money. So if you love AI tools, and want to create amazing videos with just text prompts, definitely check out Wanx Ai and start experimenting with your creativity. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more AI content, tutorials, and creator tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.